Now we will see how for loop is being used to iterate list. So now I am creating a list named L1 with the elements as 1, 2, 3 for I in L1 colon print I comma end equal to space. So in this list L1 the elements are given in square bracket, and in the print statement you can see I have given end character as space. So 1, 2 and 3 will be printed as space. The elements of the list are taken one by one and they are printed. And now the same thing can be applied to a tuple also. So we are clearing the output and changing that list as tuple. So I am giving the name as T1 and changing the braces to parenthesis, and for I in T1 again print I comma end equal to space. So this will print again 1, 2 and 3, the elements of the tuple one by one it is printing. Now I am clearing the output, and the same for loop can be used to print a set. So I am changing the name of the set as S1 with the elements 1, 2 and 3 in curly braces. So now for I in S1 print I, it is printing 1, 2, 3. The same elements are printed one by one. So in this way the for loop can be used to access the elements of collection data type. Now we will see how for loop is used to access the elements of a dictionary. So we are creating a dictionary named D1, and you know that curly braces is used for dictionary, and dictionary contains key value pairs. So here the first element is 1 colon A. 1 is the key, A is the value, and 2 colon B and 3 colon C. So for K comma V in D1 dot items of. So K here it means key, V values. So after that in the next line we are giving a print statement to print K comma V with separator arrow mark character sep equal to within quotes arrow mark and end character we are giving semicolon. So when I run the program, the output is printed like this: 1 hyphen A, 2 hyphen B, arrow, 3 arrow C. Now we will see how we are going to use for loop to access each character in a string. So for ch in hello colon print ch comma end equal to space. So this will print each character. So H space E space L space L space O. So now we will see how to use for loop with enumerate function. I am creating a list L1 with the elements 10, 20 and 30. For I comma E, so I means index, E means elements in enumerate of L1. So this function takes the index and elements from the list and gives it. Next line I am giving print I comma e comma separator equal to arrow mark comma end equal to semicolon, which prints index along with element. So 0 is the index, 10 is the first element, 1 is the index and 20 is the second element, 2 is the index and 30 is the third element, which is printed as output as shown. And we can do the same thing for the tuple also. So I am checking that, naming the tuple as T1 with the elements 10, 20 and 30 in parenthesis, and same for loop I am changing the name as T1. So this prints the elements in the tuple using enumerate function. And the same thing can be applied for the set also. I am changing the name of the collection data type as S1 with curly braces, and for loop also I am enumerating that set S1 and the output is printed as earlier. So now we will see how to use zip function for a comma b comma c in zip of 3 collection data types I am going to give. It may be of any type, any collection data type. So first one, I am having a tuple with elements 1 comma 2. Next I am having a list with the elements a comma b. Next I am having a set with elements Ram, comma Raju, and I'm closing zip function, giving a colon, and in the next line I'm printing a comma b comma c with separator as arrow mark and end character as semicolon. And when I run this program, the output is printed as follows: 1 arrow mark A arrow mark Ram, and after a semicolon 2 B Raju.